Now guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is warm this protector and get it off. Yes. Yes. Hop. Okay. This is a clean one. This is a clean one. This is a more clean one. This is for the filthy stuff. Then I'm gonna renew them. Okay. Take a screwdriver. This. So guys, now watch. You know me, not in my lifetime. Gonna give it a good clean with petrol. The favorite stuff. So, let's see. First. Oh, guys, watch over here. Whoa. Unbelievable. It's getting better. Now, old mechanic. Already looks a lot better, eh? Guys, have to take off these pinch bolts because there is a bolt in there. Oh. Gonna put it in the petrol because everything is fucking greased up. I hate it, but now this looks much better. Okay. Now guys, this one is even worse. Watch. There is not only A lot of grime, but sad. So I'm gonna take this battery for the first. Oh, I have to get that thing off. Then warm it up, tap it off. That's nicely warm. Yes. Then this one off. Yes. Now. Okay. Then. Clean them later too. Hinge bolts out. Okay, now guys, if you don't clean it, guys, and just press new seals in, I don't like it. I like to take it all apart, clean it inside out, fresh oil into it. Yes, good to go. Sure, there are dealers, people that just renew the oil seals. Okay. Even remember one time, maybe two, I got a leaking front fork, and guess what? They renewed the oil seals, as that friend of mine told me, and when I poured the oil out, it was the oil, it was not new oil, no, it was years and years, decades old oil. So you just poured it back in. How can you look in the mirror as a mechanic in the morning doing that? Where is the love for wrenching on a motorcycle when you're doing that? Know what I mean? There is a certain passion. I like doing this. And also the cleaning. And then at the end, renewing everything, and it worked fine. Yes, job done. That's my goal. Always. Always and always. So this, the black stuff you see is brake pad stuff. It's got into it. So then, guys, we need, let's see this. Now this we need old mechanic. Wait a minute. Now guys, we screwed the preload all the way in. Okay, then normally you can do it with a wrench, but this is so fucking fast. I need a power tool. Yes, there he comes. So, guys, that was really tight. Then we're gonna do his brother. First, get that cap off. Hop. Then Then I think this one comes off easy. At least I hope. Yes. It's 24. Yes. Hoppa. Get that. This is the one you need. And then hoppa. Yes. Screw this one out. This one. Okay, then take this one out. Carefully put it away. And now we're gonna empty the fork. Guys, that is, see a ring, and of course there is this spring, eh? But oh my god, it's watery stuff. Milk. Okay. Then I'm gonna screw this one back on top. Up, like this. Get the stanchion up. Ow. So, down here is also an Allen bolt. We have to loosen that. Is that easy? Well, if you have a power tool, it's this one. Yes, it's an Allen, a long Allen of 8. Hoppa. Sometimes it loosens with a hand tool, but I know by now. And there is a copper washer in there. So be sure to take that out too. Loose. So. Hop. Copper washer. Okay. Take that one off. In the meantime, clean up the mess. And guys, in here is a spring. A wonderful spring. And the spring looks like this. Take it out. Okay, this one you have to take out. Ah, yes. Sometimes, like this, you have to warm it up. Guys, I never had an oil seal in a stanchion in the front fork that was so stubborn. Normally a few taps comes out. Yes. But we got it out.